Hi guys. I was just watching Super Mario Logan. Then I was hearing this weird sound. Then I went outside. It was windy outside. There's air outside. That's my uncle, my mom. I think this is a tornado. It's windy. It might be a tornado, but it's windy, and I see a lot of. I see people. That's a nice car. That's a nice car. That's a nice car. I was windy outside. This it might be a tornado. It might be a tornado. It might be a tornado. I don't know. But this is but there might be a tornado. Right. I'll see you next time. Well, maybe not, because I might die. Right. Bye, guys.